Hello dear students. Today we are going to see prefixes meanings, but in a very practical way, to make your learning easier. This is Miss Gladys Machan. You know, the prefixes are a group of letters that go in front of another word, but all of them has a meaning. That's what we are going to see now in a very practical way. Let's see. Here are the meanings: across, free, many, again, before, after, to, water, wrong, and between. And now we are going to see the prefixes. Be, trans, tree, poly, pre, miss, intern, post, ring, and intro. By drawing an arrow to the correct prefix and the meaning, you're going to have the opportunity to practice, or maybe your students to practice and learn them easily. Now, I recommend you to stop the video here so you can do the exercise and then play again so you can see the answers. Trans, across, tree, free, many, poly, gain, ring, before, pre, after, post, to, be, water, hydro, run, miss, and between, inter. As you can see, in this practical way, it's easier for students to learn the meaning of some prefixes. I hope this is useful for you. Don't forget to write to theatema5@hotmail.com if you are interested in another topic or you need any help. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.